Hi, I'm Bart Blunt on behalf of Bullfrog Spas. We're doing a video with expertvillage.com, and what I'd like to show you here is test strips and how to test the water in a spa. Basically, you take the test strips. The bottle has a color-coded emblem on it. You swirl it around the water 3 times and then simply pull it out of the water, holding it upright, and compare the color codes on the bottle. What these test strips do is they will test the sanitizer level, either bromine or chlorine in the water. They will also test for pH, which is the acidic level of the water itself. Various types of test strips will do different tests. This particular one will also do total alkalinity. There are other ones that will do other tests as well, but this is the most common one you will see on the market. What these are designed to do is help monitor proper levels in the spa for health reasons, as well as pH in the spa water, which basically keeps the equipment in the spa in good shape over the years.